Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Philippa, a crafter and maker in Australia, and I'm going to do an unboxing from your creative studio. I've already done one for their wildflower collection, and this is the second one that I ordered at the same time, but I thought the other video was quite long enough, so I'm doing a separate video for this. Background is that I broke my arm just before Christmas, and instead of spending my 2 weeks Christmas holidays creating and making things the way I wanted, I spent a lot of time watching YouTube videos of crafters, tutorials and things, and I saw this company called Your Creative Studio and the beautiful boxes. I'm not a subscriber. I was able to back order 2 boxes from their past monthly kits, and I think this one's called the Butterfly Collection, although on the box it says non-Christmas, so who knows. Like, I think I've ordered butterflies, but it may be a surprise for me as well. So I'm just going to take this out and move the box out of the way. And these are beautiful. If you didn't see the other video yet, they include papers and ephemera and stamps and just exciting things. And for someone who's been stuck at home for 3 months with a broken arm, that's really exciting because I can't really go to the shops or anything. Can't drive, and we just come out of 6 months of lockdown when I broke my arm, so I'm really looking forward to being able to do things again. So what have we got here? Oh, that's the card that came with it. So we've got the stamps first up. Let's see what's in this one. These beautiful envelopes can be reused, I think. For junk journal. Oh yes, so we have a big butterfly and a little butterfly. I don't know, they're not the same stamp, although that would be kind of cool too, 2 versions of the same stamp, but they are very nice. And then we have this one here. Oh, and that's an even bigger butterfly. That's lovely. The 3 stamps. I think that's all the stamps we've got this time. Now, academic chart book collection. No idea. It's all very exciting. And so my birthday is in January, and because I was basically housebound and did nothing, this is kind of like my little birthday present to me. So this is, even with my glasses I can't read it, but this looks like pages of academic notes, physics or geometry or something. Nice for collaging. It's only printed on one side, so I guess text wouldn't come through if you were to use wet glue. Oh. Nearly fell off the table. This looks like little bookmarks or something. Oh, it's like it says fly to you, and it's got some lines for writing, and they came in this little pocket that also says fly to you, and it's got a little tab thing there, I guess like an attachment point. That's very cute. This is looks like clear stickers. I recently discovered how to use these, and if anyone doesn't know, because I was having so much trouble peeling stickers like this, basically get a bit of sticky tape, press it really down on a corner and then peel it back, and that's how you remove the acetate back. And I had to look far and wide and found the hint on a forum somewhere, like from about 10 years ago. So I thought I would share that wisdom. So that's my tip for this episode. Yeah, I love these acetate stickers, but I actually have some nails. They're not perfectly real, but even with nails, I found them so difficult to peel, but that's how you do it. Get a bit of sticky tape. Although I found a YouTube video that showed someone using double-sided jack paper. I thought, what a waste of jack paper when you can just do it with sticky tape. So yeah, beautiful butterfly stickers. Oh, sticky notes. Wow, like a post-it note or something, I guess. But so look at this. Oh, it's actually stuck on there. All right, yeah. All right, so there's a lot of adhesive there. It's not just the top, it's a long way. So I don't know how many pages there are in that, but that looks like a decent pad. So it'd be at least 20 pages, possibly more. I have no ability to judge how many pages are in that, so that's just a bit of a wild guess, but yes. Oh, look, handmade paper with petals, beautiful. As I've mentioned in a past video, I'm a bit of a paper addict. Look, we all are, that's why we do this, right? But yes, handmade paper. Vintage labels. Right, let's have a look at this. Oh, these are lovely. Some have lines and some don't. Oh, it's got some like faded text on it too. Lovely. And there's different shapes and sizes. So that's a nice little collection there. This is a little mystery box that says Mimo card, I think. I have my glasses on and I'm under a light and I still can't read it. So your guess is as good as mine. Little stickers maybe? I think they look like stickers. I think if I were to use them, I might fussy cut them a bit more because there's a lot of white around there, but they are very pretty. There's a lot of, yeah, a lot of butterflies there. So that's very cute. Oh, that pale blue one's nice. Oh, and a purple one too, purpley one there. So that's lovely. Now this, this, it's like the last one I had, I guess it's like a vellum sticker. I couldn't tell, it just clung to the back of a plastic sheet like the last one did, but yeah, I think they might be vellum stickers. Very nice. Put that under there. And this looks lovely. It just says paper ephemera. And 3 of each kind. They're basically some circles, some label shapes, cutouts, all with butterflies. Really beautiful. Yeah, lovely. Now this is, they look like little postage stamps, but I'm guessing they're sticker postage stamps. 2 of each. Yeah. With butterflies and things. Yeah. Some have a white border, some don't. Yeah, beautiful, lovely. And oh, that postcard there, the backing paper, that's definitely usable. Look at that, beautiful writing. Yes, that is going into my collection as well. And that just leaves one more thing, which I think is the journal cards. And again, another beautiful paper. I think it's the same as in the other set. cardstock that you could cut up, removing the top and bottom, and you can use that easily. And yes, journal cards, 4 of each, I think. Yeah, 4 of each. Beautiful. Or you could use them as layering, perhaps. It's not really thick cardstock. I mean, it's light card, I would say. Heavier than paper, light card, white on the back. So if you wanted to write on it, you probably could, but it's, or you can maybe layer it with some paper or something like that if you wanted to add a bit more to it. Although, like, I mean, because these ones, you know, they've obviously got an image on them. This one, this kind of thing, which way would it go? I guess that way. It's, you could write directly onto some of them, others maybe not so much, but you could add images on them. But the whole collection is really beautiful. It's got a bit more colour than the Wildflowers one, which was very earth toned. This has a bit more hints of green and sort of pinky reds and a bit of purple, like in this one here. Overall, another very beautiful collection. I'm very excited with my birthday present to me. And so this is, again, Your Creative Studio. I guess it's the butterfly collection, although not Christmas is what it says on the box. And thank you for watching. Hope to catch you again next time.